Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your photos or your video recordings on your Android smartphone. And this could be relatively easy. So if you have the camera icon on your screen right here, you can select that. And most of the time in the bottom right, you can see your photo that you just took. And then you can swipe on over and you can see all the photos. Otherwise, I believe you can press this on the top and you can see everything under Google Photos. And you're going to be able to see it by date. Otherwise, here's Google Photos right here. You can see it on the home screen. We can find that, or the gallery. Otherwise, what we can do is go to Google, and Files should be under here, and we can just access the phone files. So we can swipe up from the top, or from the bottom, then we can go to Google, and then we can locate Files. Or this could be under our Android folder. Just go to Files. And I believe that's a screenshot right there. And I'm under Images right now. And this is what you're going to see when you go to Files. You're going to see your Downloads folder, your videos, documents, apps, audio, or images. So your recent ones are going to display on the top. So we can just go to Images. And I took a bunch of screenshots, but it'll have like Instagram screenshots up here, camera. And you can just see everything. Let's go back and we can go to Video. And here's some of the videos I just took. So it's very easy to see this. You just have to swipe up from the bottom and you should be able to see photos and cameras up here too. And maybe you have a specific folder on the top just for your device, wherever it is. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.